Hi, in this tutorial we're going to connect Analog Devices wireless sensor network platform to the IBM Bluemix environment using a Raspberry Pi. We're going to take our existing wireless sensor network platform, which sends us data over UART to a GUI, and instead of sending the data to a local PC, we'll send the data to a Raspberry Pi, and from there to the IBM Bluemix cloud platform, from where you'll be able to measure and monitor the data. So what do you need to get started? You'll need the ADI WSN kit, you'll need a Raspberry Pi and an internet connection. Step 1 is setting up your Raspberry Pi. First of all, install the Raspberry Pi operating system if you haven't already done so. Next, you'll have to install the WSN package on your Raspberry Pi. This is available from this web page. In your Raspberry Pi, open up the folder where you copied the software. In here, click on Tools and open Current Folder in Terminal. This opens a terminal window. Now type in the following statement and press Enter. Software will now install. It can take several hours to compile the software. Once completed, you'll see the screen shown here. When you see this prompt, select 1 and press Enter. This is the final installation required. The Raspberry Pi is now set up. Step 2 is to connect your hardware. Here's a picture of how to connect. Your base station board from your WSN kit connects to the Raspberry Pi through the USB UART board as shown, using a USB cable. Power the Raspberry Pi with the micro USB cable and use a Wi-Fi dongle or Ethernet connection to connect your Raspberry Pi to the internet. We're now ready to stream data from the sensor node to the IBM Bluemix environment. Step 3 is power up the sensor nodes. This is done by inserting a jumper into link 2C of the sensor node as shown here. Step 3 is now complete, and the sensor nodes are sending data through the Raspberry Pi to the IBM Bluemix platform. The next step, Step 4, is to open the IBM Bluemix web page to see the data from the sensor nodes. So open your internet browser, type in this URL, click Enter, and you will be in the Quick Start page of the IBM Bluemix platform. Now type in the MAC address of the sensor node that you wish to view the data from. Once you've done that, click Go, and within a few seconds the data from that sensor should appear on the graph on the right. If we increase the temperature momentarily, you can see the graph has gone up to reflect the change in temperature. Thanks for watching this tutorial. You can get more information and documentation from the following links.